In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board as an image from Miro. Whether you're preparing a presentation or simply want to share your visual ideas with others, being able to export your boards as images is a handy feature. Let's get started right away. First, ensure you're logged into your Miro account and have your desired board open on your dashboard. This is critical because all the actions we'll take are within the board's interface. Now, with your board in view, look towards the top right corner of your Miro workspace. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon, which represents additional options. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down of actions you can take with the board. From this drop-down, you'll want to locate and click on Export this board. This action will open another set of options specifically related to exporting. It's important to approach this step with clarity, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options, which are designed to make sharing and presentation easier for you. Next, from the export options that appear, select Export as Image. This choice is what enables you to convert your board into a static image file, which you can then use outside of Miro. The image export feature allows you to capture your entire board as a PNG file. This format is widely accessible and compatible with most devices, making sharing straightforward and seamless. Once you've clicked on Export as an Image, a final window will appear to confirm your action. In this window, you'll see a button labeled Export. Clicking the Export button finalizes the process, triggering the download of your board image. The exported file will then be saved to your default download location on your computer, so be sure to check your Downloads folder if you don't immediately see it. Before you wrap up, remember that this image captures your board exactly as you've designed it at the moment of export. If you want certain elements highlighted or hidden, be sure to make those adjustments on the board prior to exporting. A quick tip: always double-check your board for final tweaks to ensure it appears just how you want in the output image. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully exported your Miro board as an image. This can be a powerful tool for sharing your creativity and collaboration with others, be it team members, clients, or friends. Experiment with different boards and styles to see how they translate into image form. Thank you for watching, and happy creating on Miro.